All right, so let's talk about another exercise for our back pain. This one is simple. It strengthens our core and basically establishes core stability. This is known as the bird dog. So once again, we get on all fours like this. And the first thing is to make sure we draw in and engage our core. Once our core is engaged, what we're going to do is basically simultaneously push our leg back and push our hands forward. Meanwhile, we're making sure that our abs are engaged. Then slowly return, and then the other side, just like that. What you do not want to do is try to kick up and get this huge curve in your back. Don't do that. Instead, first, draw in the abs and then reach out. Hold the position for about 5 seconds, return slowly, and then again, engage and reach out. Try this out, do 5 on each side, and then rest, do 3 sets of that and see how it makes you feel.